Hi, I'm Shelly, owner of Notes to Live By and a LAMP certified professional. I wanted to talk to you today about how I use AAC sheets in my sessions and how they may be able to help you in your sessions as well. So every AAC sheet comes with a LAMP color-coded sheet as well as a separate sheet that highlights core words in bold versus fringe words for a non-specific AAC system if you have somebody who's not using LAMP. So as we go through these, you'll notice that for the LAMP color-coded ones, they are bold what word you are working on. So this is the verse 2 of Into the Unknown. So it goes a little bit like this, like, you're not a voice, you're just a ringing in my ear, and if I heard you, which I don't, I'm spoken for, I fear, and everyone I've ever loved is here within these walls. I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. I've had my adventure, I don't need something new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you. And then you'd turn the page and keep on going through the song. So what this sheet is designed to do is really show you as the facilitator and communication partner how to quickly and easily find these words. So we may not be able to have our hands on the devices all the time if we are not in the home with the individual or if they're not in our classroom that we can work with them daily. So this goes through and says for voice, you're gonna find the word talk. So for LAMP, it's at the bottom, more on the left-hand side of the screen. And then once you press talk, you're looking for the word voice. For you, they are both yellow buttons you're looking for. Or for call, you're gonna have said, and then look for the green button call. Push that green button call again. So it's really just a way for you to snap fast find these words. That way you're not hunting for them. I do recommend that you go through this packet on your own if you can with the device. If you can't, then before the song, pick out those target words you're going to use and do it with the individual. That way you have your hands on the device, you know exactly where you're modeling it, and they have an understanding of what's coming up as well. And then you'll be off and rolling. The next clip shows you how I've used it in sessions.
But I want some look for trouble, while others don't. There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers that I wish would go away. Spoken for, I fear, and everyone I've ever was is here within these walls. I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. I had my adventure, I don't need